Richards Bay FC forward Thabiso Kutumela has offered a candid reflection on his time at Mamelodi Sundowns, revealing how the lack of consistent game time began to erode his passion for the sport he loves. Kutumela, who parted ways with Sundowns during the recent transfer window, shared his diminishing playing opportunities and led him to question his future in football. The 30-year-old joined Sundowns in the 2021-2022 season from Maritzburg United with high hopes, despite making 38 appearances across 2 seasons, contributing 5 goals and 6 assists. Kutumela struggled to cement a spot in the starting lineup of Mamelodi Sundowns. Frustrated with his lack of consistent playing time, Kutumelo initiated a loan move to Cape Town City FC for the 2022-2023 season in search of a fresh start. Yet, his stint at the Cape Town side failed to reignite his career, with the forward managing only 3 goals in 26 league matches. Reflecting on his decision to seek a loan move, Kutumela explained the emotional toll of sitting on the sidelines. He was speaking on the far post and said, "I wasn't disappointed to leave Sundowns because I was already coming from a loan. In fact, I was the one who requested the loan move. During my first season with Sundowns, I played regularly and we won MTN 8, the Nedbank Cup and the league. But after picking up injuries in my second season, things changed. By that season, I knew I needed a loan because sitting on the bench was starting to make me lose my love for football." The versatile attacker admitted that the experience was a wake-up call as he feared losing the motivation to play altogether, and said, "I started losing interest in football, and that was alarming for me because football is my life, it's all I know. The best thing I could do was to go out on loan to keep playing." Grateful for the loan opportunity, Kutumela was ultimately relieved when Sundowns decided to release him, and said, "When they let me go, I thanked God and myself. Imagine if I had stayed at Sundowns, sitting on the bench for 2 full seasons. It would have been incredibly difficult to find another team. You need to plan for your future and not just sit back because you have a contract. I saw other players leave Sundowns without game time, and it was a struggle for them to find new clubs. I didn't want to end up in the same position." Now at Richards Bay FC, Kutumela is eager to revive his career and rediscover his passion for football. His story serves as a reminder of the importance of taking control of one's career trajectory even when facing adversity. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.